Hi, hello, how are you? What's new? What's going on?
Thank you so much for being here.
Please don't go.
So today I'm going to share with you the most basic things of all. A sandwich. You already knew that though by the title of this video and you still clicked, so welcome to the basic club. The sandwich is like the most simplest sandwich ever to exist, but oh my god,
it's so good.
and I've been having this for lunch for like the last 10 days and I'm not tired of it.
It's so good.
Some people don't like it, but that's fine. You know what? Enough lollygagging. That's enough. We are going to make this sandwich. You're gonna need some bread. That's it. No, just kidding. Some bread, some avocado, some cucumbers, some tomatoes, some salt and pepper, and some red crushed pepper because we can't live without that. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to make it, and it's gonna be like super fast, so keep your eyes open because if you blink you might miss something. The first thing you're going to do is get out your bread. This is my bread. You can use whatever bread you want, but I'm gonna use some
Homemade sourdough.
You can use wheat bread, rye bread, white bread, whole grain bread, baguettes, any kind of bread you want. That's the point. That's the point I'm trying to make. You know me, I'm gonna reach all the way in the middle because ain't nobody want those little baby end pieces. We're trying to get the biggest ones. Bam. This kind of stinks. Is this good? I'm just kidding. I just bought it yesterday, okay? Okay, and then we're just gonna toast our bread. I'm gonna toast mine on my stovetop on comal. That's what we call it in Spanish. I don't know what it is in English. A griddle? I don't know, but okay, it's just the thing that we heat up our tortillas on, okay? It's multi-use, multi-purpose. Also, I don't have a toaster, so we're going to turn the heat on the stove and toast our bread. Let me just show you what it looked like. I'm just gonna put my breads on there and let it get nice and toasty. While that's getting all nice and toasty, I'm going to cut up my, no, that's not what I'm gonna do. I'm going to open my avocado and mash it up to get a nice spreadable consistency. I mean, you can just like slice it up and put it into your sandwich like that, but I hate.
I'm
just kidding, that's a strong word, but it's just so unpleasant when you put your avocado slices in the sandwich and then you bite it and then you just pop out the end. So I like my avocado to be, you know, more of a spread on there. And we're gonna season it because avocado is literally disgusting. I hate avocados. Avocado tastes like nothing, so I can only deal with them in this sandwich or in. So we're gonna season it with some salt and pepper, and we're gonna put some red crushed pepper on there, and it's gonna be good. My bread is burning. Okay, I had to keep my eyes on that bread because it was gonna burn on me. So it's out now. Look at it. It's a little burnt, but we're okay. We're just gonna put that little part on the inside.
Nobody's gonna know.
Now I'm gonna open my avocado.
An avocado.
The first thing we gotta do though is just hope and pray that it's good inside because they be tricky to pick out, you know? Please God, let it be a good one. Okay, I believe. This is how you cut an avocado, okay? Don't be getting all crazy like slicing it or whatever. Just start over here at the top. Excuse me, does this knife not work? slice it in and then turn it all around. Don't ever move your knife, and then you're gonna end up at the same spot at the top. And then now you just, I'm gonna look at it first, okay, just in case. Look at that. So proud. It's just, I just could cry. It's beautiful. Look at it. Can you believe this? Lord Jesus. We just need to take a minute. We need to take a minute. Thank you. Let me just get a thumbnail, okay? Because this is kind of a cute thumbnail. Okay? So just who do I think I am? A YouTuber? That's how I saw them do it. So okay, now the next thing we're gonna do is take our knife and make these little, just, you know, all that, get it into cubes, just so when you like put it in your bowl and mash it up, it's like easier. Take your avocado all cubed up like that and a spoon, and we're just gonna peel it out of here and throw it in our bowl, and make sure you get all that nice avocado, because
You don't want to waste any of it.
okay. And now for this one that has the
What is this called?
the pit, just gonna be careful when you do this, but like that, and twist, give it a little,
You saw what I did there, okay?
give it a little turn, and then it should come right out. Be careful. If you don't trust yourself with the knife, then
Don't do this at home.
Ask your mom to help you, okay?
we're gonna do the same thing with this avocado. We lost a little friend over there, so just throw that back in the bowl. I'm going to get some salt and just
Go crazy.
get some pepper and
Go crazy again.
get some crushed pepper and
Go the craziest you've ever gone.
okay, take your little trusty fork and just smash it up until it is spreadable consistency. You know what I'm saying? If you don't know what I'm saying, then just watch and learn. You don't gotta be super perfect, just until you know you can go like this and it spreads. We're just loosening up our avocado. Beautiful. That's all we gotta do with that for now. So just put that on the side there. And then we're gonna take this cucumber. Usually I use those little baby cucumbers that are like this size, and they're like skinnier like that, but
I don't know what happened.
and they didn't have them this time at the grocery store, so we're just gonna work with this. This is a seedless cucumber, I think. I'm just gonna cut up in like little thin slices, so I'm gonna take the end first and do this, because otherwise your cucumber gonna taste nasty, okay? Are you Mexican? Did your mom tell you that too? Because that's what she told me. Okay, just nice little thin slices. And I don't know how many I need, so I'm just gonna, I feel like that's enough. You know what?
That's the perfect amount.
And then we're gonna take our little cherry tomatoes and cut some up. Let's see, how many do I need? I think I'm gonna use 3.
Yeah, I'm just gonna use 3.
Okay, and then I'm just gonna slice these up. Just
Like so.
I think I'm just gonna do them in half.
This knife sucks.
Do you see this? Like,
I'm putting force.
and it won't even go through this tomato. Like, come on. Okay. You could use regular tomato also, and that'd be fine, but I feel like these cherry tomatoes, they make it so much better. I've tried it with regular tomatoes, but I mean, I like it better with these tomatoes.
Trust me.
It's because they're like little gushers, you know, and then like when you bite into it, and then with the avocado, it just, it's like a little delicious explosion
In your mouth.
The next thing we're gonna do is spread this avocado all over our toasty toast. Now, we're definitely gonna put this part on the inside because ain't nobody trying to see all that. So,
Spread it.
And forget it.
I'm just kidding. Spread it on there. Nice, even, thick layer.
A thick layer.
Okay, like,
A thick layer.
because that's the main attraction here, this avocado. Look at that.
Beautiful.
Put it over here on the side. Take our other piece of toast. You must be watching this like...
So she just gonna put some avocado, tomato, and cucumber in a sandwich, and that's it.
And you know what? That's exactly what I'm doing. The next thing we're gonna do is take our little cucumbers and just... And then... See, look, I cut up extra ones. It's okay. We'll just eat them. We're gonna take the other one. Let's put them like this. Okay, there we have our little tomatoes. Now, what we're going to do is just...
Magnificent.
Okay, watch this. Take some more salt and just do one little sprinkle on each, 1.5, whatever. Cause, you know, avocado be hella bland. We need to help it a little. And then I'm gonna take some more crushed pepper because why not? And then go to town on that pepper because it's the best part. All that noise that's been in the background, by the way, that's the washing machine. If it's really loud, I'm gonna be so mad. Why did I just notice it? Oh my god. Okay, we are just about done here. You see how like simple and quick that was? You didn't even need a tutorial. That's like the easiest thing. I'm gonna take these two pieces and just boop, boop. And then we got ourselves
A delicious sandwich.
no, tell me that doesn't look
Mouth-wateringly good.
I'm gonna eat this right now, okay? Just so you guys know that I'm not lying and I'm not trying to poison you or something. Like, it's not April Fool's yet. Oh, excuse me while I get a napkin. This sandwich right here,
It's so good.
You have to try it.
you might be skeptical right now, like, oh my god, that's so basic. But once you try it, you're gonna be like, wow, that's the most amazing sandwich I ever had in my life. It's so good. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like it, please thumbs up my video. It really helps me and I really appreciate it if you do. And if you haven't already, like, girl, boy, dude, family, brother, do it already. It's easy. Click the button. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I really appreciate it if you do. And I never know how to end these videos. I gotta go. I'm hungry. Bye. 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 Bye.